All right, so I'm ready about to leave for the airport today. I'm going to be going from Dallas, Love Field. I always want to say DFW, but it's Dallas, DAL is the airport code, to Denver. And as you can see behind me, maybe a little bit, just within the last 24, 48 hours, Israel was attacked. A lot of people have died. It's pretty sad. That's what's current right now going on. Big deal. A new war has started. So yeah, sad stuff. But today we're going to be going back home. I was here for a pickleball event, and this is the first time I ever have flown out of Dallas, Love Field. Coming here was the first time I even flew into this airport. So that was kind of exciting. This is a hotel lobby. Funny, all the cars, they have problems. They write on the windows what it is. Return our car. Checking luggage. I got a wait list, so I can do it this way now. Super easy through security. I guess you go immediately up. Everywhere you look, all the TVs are on the war going on in Israel right now. Thank you. All right, here we go. Back to Denver. Hey, Mason, hey, Cam. We wave. All right. I'm in row 6. Which is where I think I was on my flight here, honestly. Okay. Wish I could have talked to the pilots to see how close those planes were to us. It's pretty cool. I'm going to look on Plane Finder, though, and see if I can find them.
At gate C52. If you're ticketed and confirmed copy.
So this side's broken, and so was the other side when I walked on it. It's really trippy. You're just used to them always moving. I'll be able to get on this train. Good timing.
Please keep clear and hold on for departure to terminal from transportation and baggage claim.
Lots of construction. We're carousel number 5. It's a beautiful day here in Denver. But you know what sucks about this place? You come outside and you immediately smell cigarette smoke or pot. Honestly, it's the first thing I smell. Look at all this stuff. Like, this is supposed to be no smoking areas. Everybody does it anyways. They don't police it or don't enforce the rules. It's just disgusting. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Yeah, hope you liked it. And if you did, be sure to hit like and subscribe. See more videos like it in the future. Thanks as always. Take flight. I'm gonna wait for my Uber. We're on the east side. No mountains. Kevin's picking me up. He's got a Subaru Forester.